During an important job interview, Katie suddenly gets the hiccups. She tries everything to stop them, holding her breath, drinking water, even counting backwards. But nothing works. The interviewer tries to be polite, but it's clear the hiccups are distracting. Just when Katie thinks it can't get any worse, she starts hiccuping in a strange rhythm that sounds like a song. By the end of the interview, both Katie and the interviewer are laughing uncontrollably, and despite the hiccup disaster, Katie gets the job.